It has been a year of worry, tragedy, and survival as COVID-19 tested us all.
Yeah, that's for sure. Some parts of our world were strained, some broke, some were found to be strong in ways we couldn't have imagined.
Absolutely. Our year in review, the pandemic of 2020.
Growing fears about a new virus spreading in China.
3 major airports on alert for a deadly virus.
A mystery virus sparking concern across the globe as China reports dozens of new cases of the deadly coronavirus.
Here in America, the CDC sending about 100 employees to JFK.
January 20th, 2020, the first time you heard about coronavirus on WATE 6 on your side, an outbreak on the other side of the globe. Not much of a worry unless you were traveling overseas. A few days later, the worry level took a step up. Some East Tennesseans found themselves stuck on cruise ships with outbreaks spreading. Countries wouldn't let them dock.
We'll be okay. We really will. You know, the shock is saying, no, what am I going to do all by myself?
But viral outbreaks on cruise ships are nothing new. And President Trump told governors in early February he'd been reassured by China's president that warm weather would kill the virus.
Our country is prepared for any circumstance. We hope it's not going to be a major circumstance. It'll be a smaller circumstance.
The World Health Organization wasn't convinced.
The risk is very high in China. It is high regionally, and it is high around the world.
The virus got its name around that time, COVID-19, CO for coronavirus, VI for virus, D for disease.
We have some cases in the United States, and we have no cases in Tennessee. The Knox County Health Department is working closely with the Tennessee Department of Health.
February 24th, the first of countless times we would hear from Knox County Health Department Director Dr. Martha Buchanan. Before the month was out, the first COVID-19 death in the U.S.
Because of all we've done, the risk to the American people remains very low.
We're very concerned about it, and we will also, by the way, be issuing public statements when and if the first case arrives in Tennessee.
That first case, just days later, announced March 5th, a man who flew into Nashville from Boston. The worry came home to Knox County March 12th, our first case, the same day as our first cancellation, the St. Patrick's Day parade.
This will pass through, and we're going to be even stronger for it.
The next day, President Donald Trump declared COVID-19 a national emergency. New CDC guidelines were offered up, an effort dubbed 15 days to slow the spread. Knox County schools pushed spring break out a few weeks longer. We didn't know it yet, but the school year was over. And on March 20th, Knoxville and Knox County ordered bars and restaurants to close. Gyms in the city had to close too.
Basically, our livelihood has been taken from us.
One of those businesses we featured, Elkmont Exchange, will not survive into 2021. March 30th, we turned from economic worry to personal tragedy with Knox County's first death reported. Governor Lee issued his safer at home order that day. With it, another thicket of rules for businesses to navigate. Some had to close. Others had a path to stay open if they could keep the public safe. But could they earn a living?
But I feel it. I think sometimes what I feel is better than what I think.
By the end of April, closure orders were starting to expire. Warmer weather would tempt Americans to beaches for Memorial Day, the same again for Independence Day. People spent the summer at political rallies and social justice protests. And for each holiday, we learn of a spike in cases and deaths. Fall weather brought Americans indoors and the virus with them. Then cases and deaths exploded. Tragedy heaped upon tragedy in accelerating fashion as the U.S. crossed 100,000, then 200,000, then 300,000 deaths. But even as tragedy swelled, Americans found new skills and strength too, figuring out how to connect through Zoom, how to learn and work from home. They showed strength in facing the disease while separated from family. Many heeded the call to stay safe, even while celebrating Thanksgiving remotely or handing out Halloween candy through a chute. the strength of community showed with neighbors sewing masks, and the strength of our heroes was on display, from Dolly Parton's donation that helped fund the Moderna vaccine to the countless healthcare workers who put themselves in harm's way. But around the time of that milestone, a vaccine approved December 11th, the first shots December 14th, and here in Knoxville, December 17th, hope starting to show up by the boxful.